Hello friends, welcome to Acknowledge India YouTube channel. This is Manoj Deva, the founder of Acknowledge India YouTube channel. So friends, in geography series, today we are going to discuss about extreme weathers. In the last session we discussed about weather, but in this session we are going to discuss extreme weather.
What is weather extremes? As air mass warm and cool and move across the Earth's surface, they create weather. Sometimes the clash between air masses cause storms, which can be severe. They disrupt the usual pattern of life and often cause major property damage and loss of human life. Hurricanes, tornadoes, blizzards, droughts, and floods are the example of extreme weather conditions. Hurricanes, storms that are formed over warm tropical ocean waters, are called hurricanes and also known as typhoons in Asia. These storms are called different names around the globe. Tropical cyclones, Willis in Australia, Begos in Philippines, and Chubascos in Mexico. Hurricanes are one-way heat from the tropics is moved out of the region. Air flowing over an ocean with a water temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit or higher pickups huge amounts of moisture and heat energy. As these water-laden winds flow into a low-pressure core, they tighten to form an eye. The eye is usually 10 to 20 miles across and has clear, calm skies. But the winds moving around the eye may be as strong as 200 miles per hour. Tornadoes. Unlike hurricanes, which they take days to develop, tornadoes form quickly and sometimes without warning. A tornado or a twister is a powerful funnel-shaped column of spiraling air. It born from a strong thunderstorms. Tornadoes are capable of immense damage. In a tornado, winds swirl counterclockwise around a low pressure center. These winds may reach speed up to 300 miles per hour, blasting apart buildings and lifting objects like large cars and mobile homes, etc. When cold, dry air collides with warm, moisture air, a tornado can brew. In United States, these violent funnel clouds occur frequently between May and October in a region known as Tornado Alley. Blizzards. A blizzard is a heavy snowstorm with winds of more than 35 miles per hour and reduce the visibility. These weather conditions nail traffic, endanger livestock, and trap travelers. The greatest snowfall for 24-hour period was 76 inches. That means 6 feet 4 inches in Silver Lake, Colorado in 1921. Droughts. A drought is a long period of time without rain or with very minimal rainfall. This lack of rain results in crop failures and drastically reduce the levels in water storage facilities. In the past, droughts have periodically led to major Indian famines. Famines means there is extremely scarcity of food, which including the Bengal famine of 1770, in which up to 1/3 of the population in affected areas are died. The period between 1876 and 1877 famine, in which over 5 million people died, and the 1899 famine, in which over 4.5 million died. Floods. When water spreads over land not normally covered with water, it is called a flood. Melting snow or rainwater fills streams or rivers until they reach flood stage, the point at which the banks can no longer contain the water. The water then flows into surrounding area called flood plain. The flood plain takes lives every year, especially in low flat places like Bangladesh, where millions of people live on the floodplains and the delta.
If you do like the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and spread the word with your friends. Thank you. Namaste.